Okay, there's some big news. If you are a Shiba Inu hodler or if you own any cryptocurrency at all, you want to watch this video all the way until the end. And while we are at it, like the video for the algorithm, that's all I need. We'll talk about very interesting stuff. First of all, because a lot of people are just concerned about the China situation. China's ban on crypto is actually fantastic. This is something that the blockchain.com CEO said. We'll also see the overall Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Google Trends. We'll go over technical analysis. We'll go over what you guys, the community, said about different things. But also keep that the video is no financial advice. There's a China bet on Bitcoin information, Binance information, and look at this. There's more information about Shiba Inu. It's one of the hot coins. You know, the information we got from Voyager app. There's so much. If you try to search for something for Dogecoin, the main thing for Doge right now is the Elon Musk and Jack Dorsey event. Like, just to be honest, but Shiba Inu is getting a lot of new things happening. We'll go over the Reddit, a McDonald's tweet. There's so much information today. What should we start with? Let's start with this. Shiba Inu coin price up 5.7%. That's an article yesterday by Economy Watch. Time to buy SHIB? Question mark. So it launched in August 2020. It's the Doge killer, and basically got its pumped when Elon Musk said he will buy a Shiba Inu. So the technical and fundamental analysis on the trading chart. SHIB has a strong fundamentals. Yep, it's at a dip right now. Pretty easy to see and to spot. Where's my chart? Oh, here it is. I've got some other things I'm trading as well, and I had those open. Let's open up SHIB. What I said 2 days ago when we had the stream is that, guys, normally when you have momentum like this, even though this is an Elon Musk tweet, he said that he'll name his Shiba Inu Floki. The Shiba Inu Floki token went up, and the Shiba Inu token went up as well. So what happened here was all of that is just from a tweet. But normally when you have a spike like this, the price slowly goes to the price, to this price again. So this is what is going to happen right now. And even if you manage to long it just after it, right, on the lower side, as we discussed on one of the streams right here, we were streaming here, by the way, as well. And I said you should definitely take profits. I did. And I'm buying the dips. But let's say that you managed to buy not at the bottom here, just bought here. And let's say that you're taking some profits here, not here, just here. You would make 16%. This is what we discussed in yesterday's video as well. There's a lot of interesting things for Shiba Inu. And the thing is that a lot of the things that we thought were bad are not that bad for the token. There's definitely some warnings that you should be aware of. And by the way, if you want to buy Shiba Inu, the place to buy it with lowest fees is actually in Binance. I have a link for Binance in the description down below. If you want to trade crypto with leverage and get a bonus, I'm actually sponsored by Bybit, and I can get just great deals from them. One of them is actually linked in the description down below. I think I'll pin it in the first comment as well. So on the technical side, they're saying that digital assets relative strength index is bullish trading. What? Nice term. This is I don't know. This Economy Watch, just checking out RSI. It's a very vague technical analysis statement. However, the Wolfpack ID strategy denotes a bearish trend with the red line trailing the market at zero. Nonsense. Shiba Inu might not be the leading meme token. It is. By the way, it is. What do you mean it might not be the leading token? Most view pages, it's literally the leading one with the most volume. I mean, Baby Doge is number 5 with 8, but we're at a lot. Maybe I'll do a Baby Doge video later on throughout the day. And if we just type in Shiba Inu in Google Trends just to see how it's working out in the last Shiba Inu past day, Shiba Inu Inu coin, right? This is what most people search for. In the past day, it's actually at a spike right now, and there's a lot of reasons why it's just going up. It has a lot of momentum. We're waiting for a one of news, Coinbase listings, all that jazz. And just to show you what people think about the situation so far, Shiba Inu, new website, wallpaper, AMA, 413 votes voted this is big, and only 23% think it won't change a thing. 13.64 think it's good, so that's a 77% of people think it's a good thing overall. And you know me, whenever there's news, I have a lot of notifications, I'll make a video on. So if you are new and I'm seeing you for the first time, it's really good time to subscribe. My goal is to bring you up to date with all the latest news developments in the crypto space. The cool thing when you do that is I'm here for you. I'm here to serve you with all of this information. 450 votes here. Shiba Inu coin is the number one search crypto. Again, that happened a day ago, but pretty much 2 days ago because of the time difference. This is the bottom. Is this the bottom for Doge? I think we called that out at the spot, and we also said that Doge was a really good buy at 16 cents when we were documenting the dip. Binance just had a dip. Yeah, so Binance just tweeted like 1 minute ago that at Binance we're proud to have a strong track record of assisting law enforcement agency around the world. Recently, our team was acknowledged by the UK Southeast Regional Organized Crime Unit for assisting in investigations in crypto crime. So they're basically doing damage control on the UK situation. We've got a few more issues from there while we are on the topic of Binance. Binance pulls out of Ontario following actions against other crypto exchanges. They're pulling out, boys. That's not too perfect, I would say. Binance can no longer to continue to service Ontario-based users, the exchange said Friday. They're saying this. Binance is no longer open for business in Canada. Canada's most popular province, apparently choosing to close shop rather than meet the fate of other cryptocurrency exchanges. Wow. So yeah, that's obviously, I don't know, Binance, the idea with Binance is they really want to be decentralized, right? They don't want to obey any government, pretty much. They're not like Bitstamp, Coinbase. They're just another exchange, and I think they're suitable for different types of people. I personally use Binance, but based on the news we had in the morning that made a whole video on, I'm looking into options to diversify into other exchanges. Let me know if you have any suggestions in the comment section. Kraken or Bitstamp are good. I've been using Kraken for a while. Just switched to Binance because lower fees. I'm looking for 0.1% fees. Bybit has really good fees, especially if you're trading the main cryptocurrencies, by the way. What else can we do? What else can we do here? There was a few more things that I want to say before that. Oh yeah. This is what we know about the Binance news. China bets on the blockchain. You can read the full article on CoinDesk. I don't think it's that interesting. It's a very long article. I think this is damage control again, but it's also a good sign that now we're seeing a lot of positive news, which might suggest we have some upside potential right now before, and maybe we don't have to dip a lot anymore. BTC dominance is extremely high. We'll go over some technical analysis in a bit. Here is why China's Bitcoin crackdown is fantastic news for crypto. This is from the blockchain.com CEO. It's basically saying that after China announced that it would begin ramping up its efforts to restrict mining of cryptocurrency, the price of Bitcoin BTC fell to below 30 grand earlier this week, trading at a value not seen since the turn of the new year. Yeah, but that was a momentum. And by the way, this is something that doesn't scare me at all. Let me explain why. So BTC has very strong support and resistance at the 30k and 40k mark, even if we are in a head and shoulders pattern, which right now, I don't know, we touched the 30k mark too many times. The more time we spend here, the higher the odds of people just accumulating here and it going up. I think we're getting this dip so more people can accumulate. After China announced, okay, so we heard that. Told the news and subsequent crash may have caused short-term headaches in the crypto market. A friend of mine sending me some news, some Shiba Inu news. Okay, this is fake news. Yeah, a friend of mine sent me something, but it's not factual. I won't pitch it to you because it's just isn't so. I think it's actually fantastic news for Bitcoin ecosystem. You're going to see diversification of mining operations. Yeah, they're going to Texas. I think it's a good thing. I think they're losing on a lot of businesses, and it's just that, you know, they want control more than they want income, right? If you haven't watched the video I uploaded 6 hours ago, the BINANCE ban, definitely check that video out. It's a very good piece in my opinion. Check something out right here. It's one of the crazy things. It's kind of a highlight because if you probably know that we have a petition to get McDonald's to accept Shiba Inu. It has 2,000 supporters, 2.9k now, nearly 5k. We're keep getting more, and I think some of the interest is from this now. I mean, we've had it for a while, but check this out. Tell me your order using emojis, and I'll guess what it is. Can you pay with Shiba? We appreciate hearing your interest and continuously evaluate the payment experience. I just want to pay with Shiba. It's good that they replied, sparked some interest, a lot of retweets, 253 retweets here. So it's something good. It's good that we're having some traction. The overall response is if McDonald's accepts SHIB, that is a game changer. Of course it is. If that happens, it's gonna be, we will probably take over Doge. Let me market cap wise. Let me make you guys think, but this is no financial advice. Think for a bit. Less circulation of coins due to staking will increase price. If 344 trillion SHIB is staked on shibaswap, we'll have 50 trillion in circulation. If 500 bill goes into 50 trillion, price will hit 1 cent. Yep, this is it. This is massive, and I think shibaswap will be massive. So this is something that we are definitely waiting for, and now the moment of truth, and that is the technical analysis. Main taking profit spots for me and my Shiba Inus. I took some profits here before making the video. Took some profits here. I bought the dip here or around here. You can always see me on the stream talking about what I put money into. Actually, we made 4 or 5% day trading a few things 2 days ago during the stream, and I think I'll do that on every stream because I don't want to save you signals or courses. I can just show you what I do for free because I'm already making some money from day trading, so why not show you guys? And I can even make some money from the YouTube AdSense if you like the video. It really helps out. So Shiba Inu, main things to note. First main resistance area is the 1156. I'll take a lot of profit here and most of my profits here. If we right there, okay, that's perfect. But I'm looking to take profits here and here so I can buy dips after that, depending on how the project goes. If you get to 1 cent, that would be cool. I'll always keep some Shiba Inu. But yeah, that's it. If the video helped you out, I'm glad it did. This is the idea. I just want to serve you guys. It's fun. I really like and enjoy doing these videos. I think the next video you see is in 2-ish hours from now or something, and it will be a live stream. So be happy to catch you guys there. Subscribe if it's the first time we meet. I want to see you in the next video. Bye.